Alright, so positive day, Gilivers. This is Dr. Gigi Sunga from I Can Change Project. Magandang umaga sa lahat ng Gilivers natin. And this is the first time po tayo mapanood sa YouTube channel. Thank you very much. Please subscribe. Click mo na po yung Doc Gigi Sunga. And sa lahat mag-zoom pa-out sa atin, online or personal. And if you want to advertise your business or you want to do business with me, and if you need a speaker for your seminars and trainings, message ka lang 0939-525-4311 or sa aking FB page, Dr. Gigi Sunga. Alright, so ganito po, bago tayo magsimula, doon sa mga nagtatanong sa atin about Forex, marami kasi talagang nagtatanong about Forex at may mga nagagalit sa atin. May mga companies po na lumalapit sa atin. Okay? So, tingin ko naman they are okay. Okay? So, maayos po sila. Right? So, kaya lang po, ang mga companies na yan, make a partner sa ibang bansa. Kasi we can't do Forex here. Right? So, meron pong ibang nagmamanage yan sa ibang bansa. At yung kapartner nila sa ibang bansa, okay, kapartner sa ibang bansa, that's hindi ko nami-meet. So I cannot assure na sila ay okay. That's why I'm not recommending any company po about Forex. Kaya doon sa mga nagtatanong, mga nagagalit na sa atin. So if you know someone na maayos na may company, just go for it. Okay, ako I suggest company, not individual ang inyong puntahan. Kaya nga sinasabi ko lagi, find good company po eh. So, sorry do sa mga iba na nagagalit sa atin. What I can recommend na wag na po kayo magalit kasi nga ayoko kayong malagay sa hindi ako sigurado. Okay? So, yun po ang ating reason. Alright? Okay, so but that's not our topic. Nag-announce lang po ako. Now, ganito. Why you keep failing on your dreams or goals? Diba? Ang dami nating personal goals. Diba? Ang dami nating goals sa career natin. Ang dami na nating goals sa business natin. And thousands of goals. Thousands of dreams na isinusulat natin, na pinapangarap natin. Malit pa tayo, diba? Bata pa lang tayo, marami na tayong pangarap. Hanggang sa ngayon, nangangarap tayo. Diba? Marami tayong gustong gawin sa buhay natin. Kahit ilang taon ka, 40, 50, 60, 70 nga, it's okay to dream. I remember I watched one conversation ni Dan Locke sa isa niyang vlog. Meron siyang kausap na ang daming pangarap. Pero alam niyo kung ilang taon na yung kausap niya? 70 years old. 70 years old dreaming of many things. So that means it's normal for a person, okay, na magkaroon ng pangarap. And normal din that we are trying to do ways and things on how to achieve our goals. We're launching many things. Diba? Kaya nga iba, nag-ibang bansa pa. Yung iba naman, nag-ibang dito lang sa Miko sa buong Pilipinas. Nagtry ng maraming bagay. Pero in spite of that dream that we are writing, in spite of that dream that gumagawa tayo ng mga actions, still we are failing. Nagfe-fail tayo for one reason. Okay? One reason. It's not about your boss. It's not about your business partner. It's not about the circumstances around you. It's not about the economy. It's not about the politics in our country. It's not about the recession in other countries. It's not about that. Okay? The reason why you are failing on your goals, in reaching for your dreams, in reaching for that one big star in your life is one thing. Because of this. Because you're not giving one big reason. Nalilimutan nating maglagay ng one big reason. Ang dali nating mangarap, di ba? Ang dali mong gusto mong sabihin na magkakakotse ako, Dokti, magkakanegosyo ako, mag-a-abroad ako, bibili ako ng mga ganito. Ang dali nating sabihin yan, ang dali nating isulat. Pero meron tayong nalilimutan na isang bagay. Hindi ka nagsusulat o hindi ka nagsasabi or you're not identifying that one big reason. Bakit gusto mong gawin yung mga bagay na yon? Wala kang reason. Wala kang concrete reason. Sometimes gusto mo lang kasi naramdaman mo siya. Gusto mo lang kasi sinabi siya sa'yo ng ibang tao. Gusto mo lang siya because masarap yung may ganito, masarap ang nagpupunta doon, masarap ang may kotse, masarap ang may negosyo. Gusto mo lang siya for no concrete reason at all. That's why you are failing. Wala kang big reason. When I started my first business, as you know, my first business was junk shop. And it failed. Alright? So, bakit ako nag-fail? It's not about the people na sinasabi ko, mismanage and everything. Because I don't have that one big reason in my life. Wala akong big reason. But, you know, ang difference noon tsaka ngayon, now I'm launching many things in my life. So, dami-dami nang nilolaunch ko. Hindi na magkasya sa brain ko. At alam nyo ang difference? Why did I fail then? Not because of my age, not because of anything else, but because of that one big reason I have. So, ngayon meron akong one big reason. Lahat ng nilolaunch ko, Doc G Negosyo Hub, overrun business, small businesses na meron tayo, may GDS corporate training, may YouTube channel, may coaching sessions, may and soon real estate, and meron pa tayo i-announce so next week lang, ready na siya, may ginagawa lang, magugulat kayo. Dok, meron ka rin yan, magugulat na lang po kayo. Actually, dalawa yung nasa pipeline natin ngayon to be na i-announce sa atin. So, bakit ang dami ko ngayon nilo-launch? Because I have just this one big reason in my mind. Lahat na to ginagawa ko for one big reason. Well, of course, I have other reasons, like you know, I want to help my family, I want to, you know, I want to serve people. Lahat na yan mga reasons yan. And noble reasons yan, yung meron tayo. But there is one big reason that I have in my mind. Okay? I have in my mind na that's one big reason. Okay? That's why I'm doing this. Alam niyo kung what is that one big reason? Okay? Ngayon ko lang ito i-reveal sa inyo. One big reason na bakit hindi ako nag-give up in spite of the time constraint that I have. Imagine, I'm a full-time principal, full-time dean, working in a private school, 8 to 5 days a week. Okay? Then, meron pa tayong may ministry pa tayo sa church, and we have other things na ginagawa. Pinagkakasya ko ang napakaraming bagay na ginagawa natin, and I'm not giving up, and I'm not complaining. Wala akong complain. Sa umaga pagising ko, I'm doing all this stuff, I'm doing all this everything. Wala akong complain sa hindi ako nagko-complain sa family ko, never din ako nag-complain sa team ko, never ako nag-complain sa school, never ako nag-complain to anyone else. Sa driver ko, hindi rin ako nagko-complain. Siya kayo nagko-complain eh. Sabi niya, Dok, ba't minsan natin gabi na tayo umuwi? Sabi niya, ba't minsan, mamaya, mga lito, alam mo, pinakamaaga mong uwi, mga alas 11 tayo alis na Manila, hanggat bukas ang Shangri-La. Kasi nasa Shangri-La tayo ngayon. SM Manila tayo, we'll be meeting 2 persons, 2 clients. This, may meeting tayo. May isa pa tayong coaching pala sa Shangri-La, tapos isang meeting. So, ay 4 ang kausap natin sa Shangri-La for coaching, then 1 meeting, okay? And of course, I'll be meeting my staff, okay? So, sa Shangri-La na, wala tayo, okay? Sinamang kasi. So, I have this one big reason, but hindi ako nag-complain. Like, Saturday, I should be relaxing, I should be drinking coffee sa terrace namin ng matagal, I should be, you know, ang tawag dito, watching movie and everything. So, tanghali dapat nagising, normal na ginagawa ng tao, di ba? Pero, what I'm doing, okay, because of this one big reason. Why, my one big reason why I'm doing all this thing is for my retirement. That's one big reason. As you know, I'm a single po ako, okay? Yung mga kapatid ko, the alphabet, may mga family yan. Si mother ko, well, of course, may edad na si nanay. So that means may kanya-kanya silang buhay. Mga pamangkin ko, tinulungan natin mag-aral, pero may family na rin sila, magkaka-family din sila. So no one on this earth, okay, or in this earth, no one, okay, will take care of me financially. Okay? Sino magbibigay sa akin ng pambili kong gamot? Sino magbibigay sa akin? I'm single, 'di ba? So, that's my one big reason. Lahat ng 'to ginagawa ko for that one big reason. That is for my retirement. I want to have a wealthy and a happy retirement. That's one big reason. Okay? Gusto ko matira ako sa bahay na gusto ko. 3 ang assistants ko, 4 ata, may isa akong nurse, may driver, may technical staff, meron pa rin tumitingin sa negosyo ko. So, yan ang pangarap ko. Na wala akong lahat ng needs ko, lahat ng pangailangan ko, that time when I reach 50, 60, nandyan pa rin. Kaya ko pa rin i-provide. And that's one big reason I have in my mind right now. Kaya hindi ako nag-give up. Kaya kahit pagod ako, puyat and everything, hindi ako nag-give up. Because at 50, I just want to relax, or 55, I just want to be, yun na pahinga ko. Yun na yung happy and wealthy early retirement. That's one big reason na meron ako ngayon. Okay? So, ang question ko sa inyo umaga, what is your one big reason? Why are you doing all these things? Ba't ka gumigising na maaga? Anong dahilan mo? Di ba sabi nga, para kanino ka bumabangon? Di ba? Para saan yung mga ginagawa mo? Nasulat mo ba? Alam mo ba yung one big reason mo? Kung di mo pa alam, that's the reason why you are failing. That's the reason why you are getting average results. Because you don't know your why, your reason. Yung dahilan mo, ba't mo ginagawa yan? Okay? So you sit down, try to write, ano ba yung one big reason ko in my life? Okay? Alright, so please share this video sa lahat ng mahibigan natin, kahit OFW o dito sa Pilipinas, para sama-sama tayo mabago at mula dating buhay. Alright, so thank you very much, Gigi. Enjoy the rest of the day and let's go, let's go!